What's up, guys? AK with you today. Season right there in the middle of it. So, a quick answer. At the train show, I have a couple of questions I just want to clear. We don't need the camera. Let's just turn it off. Focusing on this. For improvement of your older, that's what's happening at the show. Guys buying a lot of older stuff. They are okay with this. You save a couple of dollars. You need to invest a little bit too. So regular Intermountain wheels, size doesn't matter, right? So you switching them with the plastic stuff, whatever. You buying older cars, right? Or some just not good quality wheels, right? And if it's still not rolling well, and I cover another subject in a couple of minutes, you getting this, again, depends how much you want to spend money. This is almost like 3 times more expensive. Ball bearings, see, no, doesn't matter what kind of position, clear, all those in the trucks, those areas. This is just running, sorry, around the axle on the ball bearings. Pretty impressive, but the price too. So older brass caboose, older brass passenger cars, that's the way to fix them very well. Okay, some if you have 150 car set, I will probably you check all your cars and maybe replace with those. Some trucks maybe not good, even with the new modern manufacturers creating like very good product right now, still can be an issue. All right, that will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. Have a good one. Bye bye.